off to Thai cooking school today. This is something we've been looking forward to since we got to Thailand, and Chiang Mai has loads of different options, and Akha has by far the best reviews, so we're really excited. Akha is coming to our apartment to pick us up in a minute, and then they're taking us to the market so we can shop for all of the ingredients. And going to the market was a big pro for us because if we want to recreate these dishes, we'll know exactly how to do it. And the markets are a little tricky to navigate so far, so I think it'll be really good to go with a pro. All right, our ride is here, let's go. You made it!
Today we're going to local markets. Okay, local market in Thailand. We start at 5:30 in the morning, and then they close the market down 11 a.m. In Thailand, we have two sections. One is called tourist area. The other one is a local area. But a great thing about when you go to local area is that they don't even care about you. Okay, it's not the same like when you go tourist area that everybody try to grab you. Hello, handsome man, massage.
Yeah.
No. We're gonna walk through and we will grab something for the cooking class this morning, and then we will try something.
We are on our way to the local market.
This thing, it will be everything: your shampoo, lotion, soap. Thailand, we call fuck you. Fuck is mean squash, kill is mean green. Green squash. Okay, now fuck you.
So amazing.
It's a pumpkin muffin.
Ooh!
You wanna try?
Yes!
Okay.
This is a pumpkin muffin. Oh. That is amazing. I didn't expect it to be this texture, but it is like a really delicious muffin. Oh, it's awesome. You gotta try it.
Wow. It's like a sponge.
Yeah. This is delicious. This is a, what is it? A coconut pancake. Oh, that's good. So I think the coconut pancake is my favorite. So good. This is already such an incredible experience. I've learned so much, tasted so many things, different flavors I've never had before. You guys have to come to Akha. Yeah. Chiang Mai Gate Market, and now we are heading, yay, hi! And we are heading to Akha for our cooking lesson. So we just got to Akha and it is adorable. This is such a cool space. I'm so excited to cook. We have Niti over here. Hi! Our amazing teacher. Amanda, Justin, hello. Tom, our friend Diab, and Mary. And this is our menu.
In Thailand, when you go south, there will be a lot of people use the fish sauce. They are really close to the ocean. You come out to north and more north and north and north, they use less and less of fish sauce. They use a lot of soy sauce, mushroom sauce, like that.
Looks good.
1, 2, 3.
What are you eating?
It's called a century egg. It is basically an egg soaked in ammonia for 100 days underground.
Where do they get the ammonia, Justin?
It is horse urine. Right?
It tastes perfectly delicious.
Cheers.
Just fine.
Cheers.
Now,
You gotta do it.
try it. It just like a
You gotta do
It
it.
tastes just like a normal egg.
Does
Tastes like an egg.
just the idea, it just throw you off.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing.
So what's the?
He's going
what-
back at it.
Why the ammonia? Like what is that supposed to do?
Ammonia basically is something it does to our body. We should wake up the brain cell.
Yeah, you gotta do it.
Instantly wake up your
Yeah, I
your
see what you're saying,
brains. Yeah, that's what ammonia does to our body. That's why the doctor will use it to wake you up when you have surgery.
Right. Okay.
Take one.
Look at his face already.
Delicious.
Do you feel your brain cells waking up?
You have to eat a
Yeah.
lot. Now what we do,
Do I try some?
So I'm going to try the horse pea egg.
Horse pea egg, century egg.
All right, here we go. Tastes like a normal egg.
yeah,
It's a little bit
it's
stronger, but it tastes like an egg.
Mhm.
Now this part they have the holding a lot of ammonia. Smell it.
Oh yeah.
It's
Mhm.
wake up
It does.
the
It
whole
goes
thing.
right up into your sinuses. Yeah.
Sinus, everything. You wake up your kid. Yeah, put it in your hand.
So this is
Rice.
the rice for mango sticky rice.
Exactly. When you look at it, when you touch it, it look like a normal rice.
Yeah.
Feel like a normal rice, but when you buy, it's the most important that you must read the packet. If doesn't say sticky rice, then you can never turn into sticky rice.
So the phuc ton soup is delicious. Quite a hit. Do you love it?
I could eat a hot ton of it.
The green curry paste and the coconut cream and milk have just started boiling, which means I can put in my veggies and chicken. This is Amanda's masaman curry and it smells
Chicken dust.
Okay.
Check your carrots.
my green curry masterpiece, Tom's red curry.
All the cucumber in here.
Yeah. And then what we do, we can put all tomato inside. This is the Akha salads, okay? From you, so after you cook, it'll smell like this.
We are making pad thai. How good does that look?
And remember this one? Bamboo.
We're trying the mango sticky rice.
Just right.
Just roll your food over a good time. Okay?
So good.
That's so
Let's eat
good.
quickly then.
Look at all of this amazing food. What did you make?
I made Thai red curry. I made, what was that again?
Chicken and coconut soup.
Chicken and coconut soup and pad thai.
What are you most excited about?
What's to come actually, the mango sticky rice.
Oh, me too. Chicken and coconut soup, green curry, and pad thai. Yes! We had a great time at Akha, and I highly recommend it when you're in Chiang Mai. The booking details are in the info box below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more adventures.